My name is Dustin Morris. My company is Hensel Phelps Construction, and I'm responsible for risk and compliance where it pertains to information technology. So when we started looking at a SIM, because we didn't have a SIM at this point, we looked at Logarithm and Splunk and Exabeam won out. The Exabeam products that we use at Hensel Phelps are Data Lake, Advanced Analytics, and we've been using them since Q4 of 2017. So the challenges we've had in our organization is that we did not have the visibility across our entire security landscape to make intelligent decisions. We also didn't have the behavioral analytics to help us to figure out what we had indications of compromise. So Exabeam has helped us address our challenges by giving us the visibility that we need, allows us to detect indications of compromise through anomalous behavior. By visibility, I mean that we can now detect when things have happened. We can detect when people are moving laterally in our environment. We know that there's anomalous behavior or activity, and it's given us the ability to track things down and threat hunt with intelligence. One of the tangible results that we've had is that we used to have a lot of account lockouts, and we couldn't detect where they were coming from. So Exabeam has really given us the visibility into exactly where the users were getting locked out. Exabeam has really reduced our response time because we don't have as many portals to go to look at different information and tie all that back together. So really it's about Exabeam becoming our single pane of glass, taking all of our feeds, pointing it in there and giving us intelligence. If I could describe Exabeam in one word, it'd be visibility.